Okay, so we have done the outside, got that prepped. Only thing that worries me a touch, and I think I would change it up, is I would use double-sided tape to stick this down, just because of the texture. It's not sticking so nicely, but that's a minor issue. I now have cut the insides, so this is the inside is C, and I am going to stick these down with glue, I think. I hope we have better luck. No, I'm going to have to wash this with hot water. So just a little hint, if you do have an issue like I've got, where you've left your lid off your glue, I'm struggling to get it off now altogether. Obviously put it on too tight when I took it off last time. Just soak it in some boiling water. Some boiling water with and clean it out that way. If you like to distress, you might like to distress this before putting it down, and then yeah, just kind of level it off. The weird thing is that this is 12-inch paper, so it should line up perfectly. Also, you don't want it to, the join, you don't want it to go over the fold line. So that's the back cover done. This texture on this paper is so similar, the smooth and the textured side. This is the Couture Creations that I'm using. Oops. So we've now got the outer covers, we've got the inner covers attached, and already it's thick enough. Okay, so I'm going to pop that to the side, because next up we're going to be working on the pages. We're just going to add 3 pages.